Hi guys, welcome to this video training. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Getresponse. So, Getresponse is an email marketing software used by marketing agencies or affiliate marketer to promote their products to their list. So, you can use Getresponse to send email marketing campaign to your audience. Uses to generate lead to generate sales. So that's what Getresponse is all about. So to make money with Getresponse, you have to sign up as an affiliate. So to sign up as an affiliate, you simply type Getresponse into your browser and a page like this will be shown to you. Then you make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page and locate this link, affiliate program. So once you locate this affiliate program, you click it. Once you click it, then scroll down to the bottom of the page to sign up. So before you sign up, you'll be and shown a two type of program to sign up for. So the first one is an affiliate bounty program. This simply means this is a one-time payment. So if you refer a customer to them, you'll be paid $100 for that customer. But on this side, when you sign up for affiliate recurring program, this simply means once you refer a customer to Getresponse using your link, they sign up, they pay for the software, you will be given 30% of their payment. And if that is not one time, you'll be paid uh, repeatedly every month on a monthly basis, this 33% of their commission. So it's better you sign up for this recurring commission because a customer lifetime value sometimes can expand for a lifetime. So imagine if you refer a customer to the program and they stay for 2 years or 3 years. So you are getting 33% of their commission for that year. Imagine how much you made compared to this $100 you'll be paid one time. So I'll prefer you sign up for this affiliate recurring program of current program of Getresponse as an affiliate. So to sign up, you have to click this. So once you click the recurring program, a page like this will be shown to you. So what you need to do is to wait for it patiently to load. Then you scroll down to fill your details. You fill your details. So you fill your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, country of residence, then your phone number, and your website. So if you don't know how to create a website, you can use Namecheap or Interserver to buy domain and hosting. I'll leave a link below to sign up for to get your domain and hosting below this video. So find a link below this video to sign up for that. So you tell them how you know how you want to promote Getresponse. Is it by email to your list? So you click it and then you click the you're not a robot and you sign up. So once you sign up like that, your application will be sent and you have an account to start promoting Getresponse as an affiliate. So to promote this Getresponse, you can promote it in with your Facebook profile. uh, Look for businesses that are selling online. Tell them how email marketing can help them to boost their revenue. So you can simply give them your link to sign up for Getresponse account. And to log into your affiliate program, you just simply needs to click on the recurring since you sign up as a recurring affiliate. Then you log in. So once you log in, this is your dashboard. Then this is your affiliate link that you can start sharing with people to sign up for your program, to sign up with your link so you can earn commission with Getresponse. So that's about that. But before you can have access to this dashboard, you'll be you likely to confirm your email address. So simply go to your email address after you sign up to click the link to verify your email so you can log in to get your link and start promoting. So that's it on how to make money about Getresponse. But if you want to learn in depth on how to start affiliate market, how to promote other people's products, I would like you to join this challenge, which is uh which is a 50-day challenge by Legendary Marketer. So I will also leave the link below to sign up for this program. So this 15-day challenge will walk you through on how to start your affiliate marketing business from scratch. So you can have more knowledge on how to promote other people's products. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please leave the comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on post notifications. So each time I drop a new video, you'll be the first to notify. So see you in the next video. Thanks.